And welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem with the Windows Defender. So if you have this kind of warning in your computer that your Windows Defender needs to scan your computer, and you click and you go, okay, it's turned off, let's activate it. So when you click that to turn it on, it just says to you that it's blocked by group policy. Okay, content administrator. Obviously, that's you. Okay, so what's happened? If that happens to you, you have to go open this window, which this window is located somewhere here. You go to Run, press that, and you open this policy. When you press OK, you get obviously an arrow, and obviously go down to these windows I'm going to show you here. So open this up, go to administrator templates, Windows components, so you're going to say Windows Defender, and you're going to see obviously that you have it's enabled to be turned off. So remove this, edit. We don't want that. Okay, and try again. So go on these windows, click on. Okay, obviously you have to restart, right? You have to disable. Okay, disable, not just on compute. Make this disable, and this automatically fix the problem. You see, it's not there. Windows Defender is back on game. Yep, Windows Defender is working, back on game. I hope you like my video. Please comment below if they helps you.